So today we're going to test out Profusion Cosmetics. I have some palettes, I have some lip products, I've got some fun stuff, some cheek colors, some cheek and contour stuff and things. So we're going to test it out. I already have my foundation on and my concealer and everything, but we're just going to jump right in and we're going to start with brows. I'm a little worried about this brow kit because it is from medium to deep and your girl, is very blonde right now. But we're going to see what we can do. This is everything you get in the brow kit. So you get a brow gel, a brow pencil, brow powders, and a tweezer. I'm gonna skip the brow pencil, I think, just because it's so dark. Okay, so I think that this is like a wax, and then a highlighter shade, and then like 2 brow shades. I'm gonna go with the slightly lighter brow shade. Oops, the slightly lighter brow shade, but it might be too dark. I mean, I have really dark brows because I'm naturally a brunette, but so I'm gonna use a little brush that comes with it. Well, this might be okay. Very, very warm tone though, so... This is a very flimsy little brush. I mean, it's a very cheap brush, so these products are so affordable. The actual powder is really nice. I do like how it's applying. It's so warm tone though that I think I'm gonna use my LA Girl pencil that I've been using that's much more cool tone just to make my brows look a little more matchy. Not matchy, but you know. I'm gonna use my soft brown shady brow pencil from LA Girl. Fill in where I need it. This isn't bad at all. It's just definitely not the right shade for me right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brow gel. Let's try the brow gel. This is what it looks like. It's got quite a big brush. Okay, so we're gonna call it good for brows. I'm gonna move on to the actual face. I'm really excited to try the Sculpt and Glow kit. I also got the Blush and Glow. So I think we'll use this to contour and highlight, and then this to blush. So my sound hasn't been working. I'm sorry. So, this dang microphone. So we are just using Serendipity, that yellow shade, and just blending it out. And so far, look at that. I am so impressed, you guys. Try and keep an eye on that sound monitor thing. I can't believe it did that. I'm sorry. It's been a long time since it's done that. It can be really good, but it can be really poopy at the same time. So I'm just using this little brush that came with it. It's got a fluffy blender and a flat shader. I'm going to take the flat shader side and just go in with this guy. Ooh. I am a fan. I'm a fan. I'm gonna take that same Serendipity, that yellow shade, and put it on the lower lash line. Oh, I just got it in my eye. That highlight though, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take my Carity E30, this little pointy blender. I really like this brush it came with too, by the way, that's really nice. I think we're gonna mix these two. Pop it in the crease. I think I'm gonna go in with Dapper. Just focus it out here. I'm gonna go back with those two orange shades that we mixed, these two right here. And just put that on the lower lash line as well, mostly on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with just my base powder and an angled brush and kind of clean up the edge. Let's go with this. And it's like baking your eyeshadow, so you can get kind of a smoother line. I'm just gonna leave that on for a couple minutes. I think we're gonna do like a baby cut crease. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop White No Filter Concealer. I'm just gonna use the brush that it came with. I'm gonna dip into the Pro Pigment palette. Ooh, it has one of those brushes too. Sweet. And I'm just going to put shimmy. So shimmy on the middle of the lid, precious on the, I'm gonna mix kind of these two. Hopefully that makes sense. You'll see what I do. Fingertips are the best, I swear. Okay, I think we're gonna go with liner. I don't have a Profusion liner, so I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black, per usual. Put on a wing. That is a wing, girl. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get those 100% even day. You know, you have just those days that you just can't get your wings even. Welcome to today. These are the lashes I'm going to use. I'm going to pop them on in some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, love, so lashes are on. I love these lashes, and for $1, like, you can't even beat it. Again, they are the Luella lashes from shopmissa.com. Before I do my lips, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of, I'm going to do Precious. This white right here, it's got kind of a pinky duochrome. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that at all, but I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it on my inner corner. I'm just gonna use a sponge tip because this is going to really pack on the color. I know a lot of people are scared of sponge tips. I still think they're great for lid shades. You can either use your fingertip or a sponge tip. The closest thing to using your fingertips on your eyes is a sponge tip, I swear. It gets, well, for me anyway, I get the, sorry, my lash is stuck. Whew. The most pigmentation that way. So this one I have a little bit of gold on, but that's okay because I've got a gold look going on, so a little bit of Precious. I will say that these are a little piecey, as I think you can see. So hopefully you can see that. It's a little chunky, but I feel if you just kind of pat it out, because if you pat it out, look how pretty that is, that tiny little dot. I'm just going to put it on there, spritz it, kind of pat it out on my hand, and then just go on in. See? Boom. And even I just dipped right back in and got some of the chunkies on there. It's fine. I mean, you might get a little bit of fallout, but if you keep it in its spot and, oh girl, that's so pretty though. I kind of like, I don't know, I feel like I get the best results with chunky shimmers. Like, yeah, they're not as smooth, but you get like the most pigmentation with them, I swear. Maybe it's just me. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I hope that that's translating as bright, because I love, a bright inner highlight, and that is like a lot, but I like it. Two different nude lip options. I feel like they're very similar, but I feel like because I'm so fair, even the lighter one's gonna look like the darker one on me. So the slightly lighter one is Dream, and then Charm. I think I'm gonna go with Dream. I'm really excited to try these little kits. I think these are like $5 too, and you get a matte lip cream, a lip liner, and a lip gloss. Like, you can't beat that. These are really soft too. They're really smooth. I almost wonder if the other color is going to be better. We'll see. Oh, they smell good, like baked goods or frosting. I feel like this lip color makes it a little more summer, spring, and I'm feeling it for fall. So I'm going to use a little bit of the darker one, which is Charm. I really like that. I think that Charm would be a really great fall lip color. I really like Dream as well. I feel like this is a little more summer, spring to me. Maybe with a different eye look. I just feel like with the yellow, this looked very spring and I wanted to look a little more fall. So I'm glad that I ended up layering Charm on top of Dream. I really like them. My lips are a little bit dry right now, but I think that the color is really pretty comfortable. I mean, they're a matte lipstick, so I can feel it drying a little more, but it is quite comfortable. Only thing that I wasn't completely in love with is the brow kit, mostly because it's completely the wrong color for me right now. If it was the right shade, I might have to pick up the lighter shade. I assume there's a lighter shade of that kit at Target, so I will definitely check that out. Brows, like all makeup, are so personal that when you have something that's really working for you, it's hard to switch it out. I love the eyeshadow palettes. That Sienna palette, girl. So I'm living for these. The Sienna palette, if you want a palette for fall, I honestly think that this is amazing. I am so impressed. That yellow is beautiful. Honestly, that yellow is showing up just as bright, if not brighter, than the one from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, which really, I mean, this is $10, but look at all the shades that you get. But this is very similar to the look I've been doing with that palette, and I love the glitters that are in the pigments on here. I don't know if you can see them, but I tapped a little more on after I wetted it. The glitter just didn't show up as much when I had wet the shadow, but when I just tapped it a little bit on top, I could see them much more because I wanted to blend it a little further towards the outer V. So definitely recommend these. Honestly, my expectations were beyond exceeded on these guys. I really like the Sculpt and Glow. I'm sure that I will like the sculpting shades in here as well. Sorry we didn't get to this palette, but we used pretty much everything else. I really do like that medium shade. I went a little overboard at first, but I think once my blush and everything is on, the rest of my makeup is on, it totally works, and it's nice and soft. Like, it's bold, but it's, for me, that's a soft contour. So really approve of it. I really liked the Blush and Glow. This is super pigmented. I wonder if the first Blush and Glow is any lighter because these highlight shades are definitely too dark for me. Super impressed. This brand is so affordable. Again, you can find it at Target. I'm excited to see what else they come out with next. Hopefully they will have like foundations and concealers and stuff soon so I can do a full face. Anyway, super impressed. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I love you guys so much. If you liked this video and want more Profusion videos, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Let me know what color is your favorite for fall right now. Mustard and pumpkin burnt orange. Like, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe before you leave if you have not already. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific time as of right now. That's when I'm uploading. So I will talk to you soon. Bye. Maybe this is fine. I don't know. Don't listen to me. It's so cool. I mean, what? Jeez. Let me just throw everything everywhere, you guys. Let's just... Oh my gosh. Oh, I keep getting in my eye because I keep trying to look up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. But then I get it in my eye. There's always cat hair on my face. Concealer. Said that weird. Again, there's Get back in your case, girl.